Good morning. It is October 25th, and last night or early this morning we had our first hard freeze. And let me turn you around to show you what everything looks like. Look at the peppers. Look at the tomatoes. Everything is still plugging along. This high tunnel here doesn't have any ends on it, so it looks awesome. Shows you what a little bit of protection can do. My thermometer said 30, but that was when the sun was still down, so I'm guessing it got closer to 28, 29 when the sun, right before it popped up. Lettuce and arugula looking good. Kale, of course, will look great. Empty bed spinach looks great. I cut the basil last night knowing it was going to freeze, so it would have been a slimy mess. Still have frost in the shaded areas, but everything looks great. High tunnels from Farmer's Friend. Oh, this one's 16 by 100 Gothic Pro. I think it's Pro. It's the one that's raised. Also, another one. We got him through the NRCS grant. Does great in the wind. We've had a horrible wind, horrible wind. So, shout out to them. And our initial greenhouse is from a company in Oregon out of Yachats. I can't remember the name, but that one is great. And we put the ends on it. It's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So this one, I put an end on it because, well, don't mind all the weeds, but just pulled my kohlrabi. The wind just hammers the end to it. So I had some old carport tarps. I just stuck them on until I get a more sturdy end built. So we're good with that. I'll come in, pull weeds. I've got ranunculus and anemones that I'll throw in there. I've got my lettuce starts. Even though they're tiny, I will throw them in anyway. We'll see what happens. And my herbs. I need to get those cut, dried, and ready for recipes. So, hope you enjoy your day. I know we will. It's supposed to be sunny, lovely. It'll get up to about 60 degrees here. And I'm gonna pick up my anemones and ranunculus and get those started for a beautiful spring flowering season. So, have a fantastic day.